Miriam Santiago's sister slams Panelo over ICC comments. The sister of the late Senator Miriam Defensor-Santiago on Tuesday slammed presidential spokesperson Salvador Panelo for saying that her sister's election as International Criminal Court (ICC) judge was void because the Philippines never formally became a member state. In a palace briefing on Monday, Panelo stressed that the Philippines never became an official member state of the ICC as the government supposedly failed to publish its ratification of the Rome Statute, the treaty which created the ICC, in the official gazette or a newspaper of general circulation. Thus, Santiago's nomination and election was void from the start, he said. Reacting to Panelo's statement, Defensor Evangelista said in a post on her Facebook page that Panelo must apologize for remarks she described as irresponsible, offensive, and full of malice. When politics enter the realm of a person's life and negates hard work and personal achievement to serve another party's agenda is simply wrong and immoral, Evangelista said. I have inhibited myself from any political comment because there's plenty of that to go around, but when attacks come out of nowhere because of a vicious agenda, I cannot keep silent. Evangelista noted that the Philippine government financially sponsored Miriam's campaign and the salaries of the hard-working embassy personnel came from taxpayer money. Thus, all previous administrations believed that the Philippine membership was authentic. She added that she attended some meetings and interviews involving her late sister's campaign to become an ICC judge. Miriam gave robust and brilliant responses to their questions, and obviously, they agreed with her because she was successfully voted as ICC judge, she said. Evangelista also said Panelo's remarks were immoral and disrespectful considering that her sister is no longer here to argue and defend her belief that the ICC is a legitimate entity and that the Philippines is a valid member. Santiago passed away in September 2016 following a long bout with lung cancer. We, myself and those who keep Miriam's legacy alive, are no match as to how Miriam would have pulverized the arguments of this Duterte administration spokesperson, Evangelista added. I am beyond upset. This is a cowardly attack and an evil attempt to undermine that which is true. I have been a close witness to Miriam's hard work and dedication. Asked to react on Evangelista's retort, Panelo apologized but said he thinks the concern and the hurt is misplaced. What I said is if the theory is we were never under the jurisdiction of the ICC, it goes without saying as logic, then any appointment to the ICC would be void, Panelo said during Tuesday's palace briefing. Let me say that she, Defensor Santiago, was very much qualified to be a justice. She had the credentials. The problem is prior to the assumption of the presidency of the President, Duterte, nobody knew we were never under the jurisdiction of the ICC. Santiago was elected ICC judge in 2011. She, however, had to let go of the post in 2014 because of chronic fatigue syndrome. She succumbed to cancer 2 years later. Another Filipino, former University of the Philippines Law Dean Raul Pangalangan, currently sits as ICC judge. The ICC had said Pangalangan, whose term ends in March 2021, can stay on as judge despite the Philippines' withdrawal from the Rome Statute. The Philippines' withdrawal from the tribunal took effect on March 17. Duterte had sought the pullout as the ICC initiated a preliminary examination into alleged crimes against humanity under his war on drugs.